Annyeonghaseyo. This morning project is to replace this 24 years old water heater. It's a dinosaur. Surprising, the heating element is still working. The problem's only with the water flow valve. After 24 years, it is retiring. When the water volume flow is minimal, the valve function. Off it, yes. But when the volume is increased, you on it, it does not cease the flow. Showing you the inner anatomy of the national brand water heater. Beautiful. After 24 years, the heating element is still tip-top. Except this valve problem. Well, time to give it a replacement. The old heater is removed. The piping is sawn out. Now when you connect the new nibble here, it is important to send out the painted portion, otherwise the solvent will stick here. Now the new nibble connector is installed and the replacement heater is in position. The remaining is just wiring and the piping. Now this is to show you if your wiring of the heater is not grounded, the green cable is not installed, the ELCB light will show line fault indicator is red in color. Now when the ground cable is installed, you can see the line indicator turn to become a non-red color. This LED doesn't show green for some reason. No, it's definitely not red, it means it is properly grounded. The new water heater is ready to serve. And yes, the water valve inlet is not installed because it is not arrived, but it is good to go.